In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs table of contents. By the end, you'll know how to set up headings, insert a table of contents, refresh it as your document changes, and customize the look so it fits your style. First, Google Docs builds a table of contents from headings, not from regular text. That means your section titles need to use the built-in heading styles. Highlight a section title, open the style drop-down that usually says normal text, and choose a heading level. Use heading 1 for your main sections, heading 2 for subsections, and heading 3 for smaller, nested sections. For example, you might set Chapter 1 as heading 1, then Introduction and Methods as heading 2 beneath it. Keeping this structure consistent helps Google Docs understand your document outline and ensures the table of contents is accurate and well organized. Once your headings are in place, decide where you want the table of contents to appear. Most people put it near the beginning. Click to place your cursor there, go to Insert, choose Table of Contents, and then pick a style. You can choose a version with page numbers, one with dotted lines plus page numbers, or a version with blue links only. All of these are clickable, which makes navigation easy in both the Google Doc and exported PDFs. To visualize what you'll get, imagine a document with Introduction as a heading 1, Research as another heading 1, Survey Results as a heading 2 under Research, and Conclusion as a heading 1. The table of contents will list Introduction, Research, and Conclusion as main entries, and indent survey results under Research, with page numbers or links depending on the style you picked. As you keep writing, you'll probably add sections, rename headings, or cause content to shift onto new pages. When that happens, refresh the table of contents so it stays current. Click anywhere on the table of contents and select the refresh icon. Google Docs will instantly update the entries and page numbers based on your latest headings. You can also customize the look of your table of contents. Click it, open more options, and adjust things like font size, spacing, indentation, or which heading levels are included. A few quick tweaks can make it match the rest of your document's formatting. Before we wrap up, a few tips. Reserve heading 1 for major sections so your outline stays clean. Keep heading styles consistent throughout. The longer the document, the more value you'll get from a well-structured table of contents. And remember, those entries become clickable links in shared docs and exported PDFs, making navigation effortless for your readers.